If you didn't get my memo the last time you saw my video, or if this is the first time you're seeing my video and you think I'm too close to the screen now, then you must like, share, and subscribe to Diva Ke Karname. I'm cool like that, okay? Just subscribe and I'll tell you how cool I am. I think if there's one thing you need to know about me today, it's that I am matching with the sky, and that's so cool. I hope there's nobody in the background, otherwise, I will just have to censor. I came down Niche to take a breather. I think I'll only be here for like 5 minutes. But the sky is so damn pretty. So pretty. Personally, my main aim nowadays has just become catching nice sunsets. As you can tell from the looks of my surroundings, I am already back. Because first of all, the sunset had left within 5 minutes of me reaching downstairs. And secondly, it had gotten too humid because welcome to Bombay. Thirdly, I feel like actually reading that book that I was originally supposed to read yesterday. So I'm going to do exactly that. And then I'm going to have dinner. Then I am going to make myself a dessert in the air fryer, and that is also going to be very little effort wala dessert. I don't think you should be excited about that, but I am excited about it. So actually, I just realized before I start reading, I have a dress to try. I don't know what it is, but Mama has sent me something and I'm going to try and show you what it looks like. I don't even know what it looks like, but you are going to see right when I'm going to see what it looks like. I don't know what I think about this. The bottom was actually not my size, so I just packed it and kept it back. I don't think I am rocking it, so I'm not going to keep it. Lately, I've realized that if I don't get the vibe from a certain piece of clothing, within a couple of minutes, if I don't get the vibe, I'm most likely not wearing it again. That's the case with half of my cupboard, which is where I'm looking right now. I'm not keeping this. Final decision. It's okay, we'll find more clothes. I'm still figuring out my style. I think we'll get there. Okay, I just did the funniest thing ever. I had to change back to this top, and what I ended up doing was undo. Undo as in the command on my laptop, undo. Command Z. It's only been 2 days since I've started this challenge and I've only edited twice in a row. I don't know what editors are going through on a daily basis. Like, do you live your life constantly thinking that I should have a Command Z button for everything? Or a Command C and a V? Or is it just me? Moving on. It is kind of, sort of, really weird recording myself alone in my room just reading. So, I'm going to end the recording right here. And I'll see you in the kitchen. Hopefully, if I don't get rid of that idea immediately because I'm too lazy to make anything absolutely at all, I'm going to order ice cream. So that's a good motivation. See you. I just realized something. It's only been 15 minutes or like 10 minutes maybe since the last time I saw you. I was only able to read like 10 pages because I'm wearing lenses, and I was genuinely, honestly saying that I can't read with my lenses on. I need my glasses. But whatever portion I read, I was like, okay, I'm going to like this book as long as nothing sad happens in it. Like, nothing too devastatingly sad. And then I realized I was just reading the prologue and it was 5 summers ago. By the way, people we meet on vacation, in the first 11 pages, I've realized that these two people go on a trip every year, Alex and Poppy. Alex is basically the black cat, and Poppy is just like her name. Poppy is golden retriever energy. They have chemistry. Unlike Jeremiah and Belly, they have chemistry and they are best friends. And I'm hoping that they do fall in love. जितना मैंने अभी तक बताया है वो सब बुक के पीछे भी था. I'm excited to read further. I'm not going to read this book with my lenses on, so I'll just wear my glasses in a bit and get back to this book. That's what I'm doing tonight. after dinner because I'm hungry now. Always listen to your tummies. I am done with my dinner, which means it's now time for dessert. The ice cream is also here, which is why I'm more pumped to make something in the air fryer. Although it's really tempting to just have the ice cream. Ice cream for ice cream. It is really tempting to eat the ice cream just by itself and then just call it a day. But you know what? Since this is a challenge, I'm going to challenge myself in general aspects of my life also, and I'm going to make it in the air fryer. Let me also give you a very important information. With this recipe, I never know if I'm making a cookie or I'm making a cake. जैसा भी एयर फ्रायर के अंदर से निकलेगा मैं खा लूँगी एंड उसको बेरेबल करने के लिए मैंने ऑलरेडी आइसक्रीम मंगवा ली है सो आई एम सॉर्टेड फॉर द नाइट. मैं बात करते करते अंदर आ गई बट मेरा एयर फ्रायर बाहर रखा है. We are going to start by reading the instruction manual. Ghee or unsalted butter, egg. It says thick curd, but I'm using egg, cookie mix, and then biscuit. I always mess up the quantities, so that's how it's going to be once again. And it's okay. It's absolutely okay to mess up. I'm going to get the ingredients out here. The entire thing is going to take like 12 minutes. Let's begin. Some butter. I love butter. 4 this. I think this should be fine. I think I put too much batter. Should I put more butter? I can put more butter. See, once the batter starts taking shape, it doesn't look as bad. How does it taste? Bad. No. It's fine actually. I'll ditch the air fryer and just heat the batter and call it a day. If this turns out well, I'm going to start my own cooking show. I can do everything. I am Barbie. If you get that reference, we can be friends. Don't tell me the mic was internal mic से record नहीं हो रहा था. Okay, whatever. I just made it into a massive blob right here. It'll at least taste well. So now we wait. And we eat the remaining batter. This looks like a sasta dora cake. I mean, not bad. I hope इसका taste अच्छा हो. अगर थोड़ा fluffy होता, it would have been a proper dora cake. Although I don't know what dora cakes are made of. Okay, I'll just put some ice cream on this and start eating because I'm hungry now. I'm hungry for dessert. It is time for taste test. The outer is crunchy. अंदर का मुझे खा के पता चलेगा. I have dipped this in some ice cream because I just want to be sure that I'm eating something nice. मैंने actually ज़्यादा ice cream taste कर ली है. I'll have to take another bite. The crust is tasteless. It's decent. It's like an unsweetened tea cake. It's a dry, unsweetened tea cake. Its crust is pretty tasteless, giving this sort of a burnt texture, and I think I did a pretty decent job, and the ice cream is definitely helping. If you want to try this at home, please do it at your own risk. Please do not follow my recipe because as you can tell, I'm a very fantastic chef, baker, pastry chef. You get it, right? Glad we made it to day 3. Actually, we'll make it to day 3 when I post this. I will post it. Glad we made it to day 3. See you tomorrow. मुझे पूरा खाने का मन कर नहीं रहा वैसे. I'm stuck with this. It's already intimidating enough to make something in the air fryer. Yeah, it is already a challenge. Okay. Bye. Also, like, share, subscribe. I don't have my mic. I could have just put my mic. Okay, whatever. Next vlog. Like, share, subscribe.
See you.